Recently, while watching some YouTube shorts, I began to wonder how difficult would it be to become viral on YouTube? How do videos like this get so many views? So I decided to go on a journey in 60 days with two goals in mind. One, become monetized in YouTube, and two, become viral. So let's start by finding our niche. So after scrolling on YouTube for a while, I found out that the most popular content is related with sports, movies, video games, or celebrities. But in this video, out of those four niches, I'm going to be picking up the movie niche because it has the most potential to go viral, as a lot of videos nowadays movie related get a lot of views. And before starting making the content, I need to think what kind of movie related content I'm going to be making. And in order to do that, I will have to look through YouTube, TikTok, and see what kind of movie content is trending now. A few hours have already passed and I think I came across a pretty unique channel. This channel is called Curious Lee, and he basically makes content on Spanish about the famous TV series Pawn Stars. And in his shorts, he does a recap of the things that are going on in every episode. So I think it would be a great idea to do similar thing but in English, since I have found literally no one doing this same thing in English, and his videos are getting an insane amount of views. And I think even after, I also looked up some content in English about Pawn Stars, and I saw some videos, long form videos, getting quite a bit of views. So I think if the shorts can go viral, after I can start posting long form videos and make them go viral as well. So now that I have figured out what kind of content I'm going to be making, let's start off by creating the channel itself. For the name of the channel, I decided to keep it simple and call it Mr. Chum. As you know, Chumlee is one of the main protagonists of the TV series, so I think this name will suit the channel very well. And now it's finally time to make the video itself. Okay, I have finally finished making the video, and I think it turned out great. Here, have a look.
This man wants to sell the rarest sword in the world.
So yeah, I made the video about a weapon, and I think it's a great idea since a lot of people like hearing information about weapons. And I think it's pretty eye-catching, the start of the video. And one more key point before posting the video that you should know is that the day and the time you post the first video is very important. For example, me, whenever I create a new channel and post the first video, I always try to post it on a Friday or Saturday, because that's when the most amount of people are watching YouTube. If I'm posting on Friday, I will try to post it around 10 p.m. On a Saturday, 10 a.m. From my personal experience, I have figured out that at that time is when the most amount of people are watching my videos, therefore I get the most amount of views. So I will have to post this video tomorrow, probably I'll do it at 10 a.m. So yeah, see you tomorrow with the results. One day has passed, right now is Saturday evening. I have just returned from playing a bit of paddle, and when I saw the results of the first video, honestly it's pretty good. I have gained 20 subscribers, solid. And my video is right now sitting at 13,000 views, which is pretty good. And the retention is not that bad either. 43 seconds of a 54-second video, that's not bad. It could have been better, of course, but it's not bad. It has potential to go viral. So let's wait a bit more time. Let's post a few more videos. Right now, I'm going to be trying to post a video daily. So around 1 week has already passed. Right now is the 29th, so it's Saturday. And the results are looking pretty good. Right now I have around 139 subscribers, and the videos are also doing pretty good. Let's have a look. Right now, as you can see, I got 78,000 views in all of my videos, which is not that bad. Of course, it could be better, but some of my videos have potential to go viral. For example, this antique Pepsi machine video is doing pretty good. Right now it's sitting at 30,000 views. And as you can see by the graph, at the beginning it had a good spike. Then it went pretty dead, gaining a few views. But now it's having the same big spike. So right now the channel is steadily growing. The subscribers are slowly going up, same as the views. But I've been researching a bit the long form videos related with Pawn Stars. And there's a few channels that get quite a bit of views. I've come across this Spanish YouTube channel that is getting really good views. It's in the millions. And I've came across this one English video that also reached the 1 million view mark. And I think if I use some of this video's ideas and add my own touch, I think I have potential to come up with a viral long form video. So it's the next day, it's Sunday right now, and my channel is going quite viral. So it gained over 100 subscribers over one day. Right now it's sitting at 272 subscribers. And my videos are also going pretty viral. So remember yesterday I told you that I was hoping for one video to go viral, which was the Pepsi machine one. Well, guess what? Today when I checked out the stats for the video, I saw that I had 110,000 views, which literally left me mind blown. I couldn't believe these results. Plus the viewer retention was as high as before, which is even better. But we're not done with the surprises yet, because I posted my long form video yesterday. Yes, I had time to do it yesterday and I finished it and I posted it yesterday. And look at these views. In the first couple of hours, it only got a few views. But now that a day has passed, it's gaining a lot of views. Right now it's standing at 305 views, which is really good results for the first video. Let's hope that this video reaches 1,000 views in the next couple of days. Around 2 weeks have passed since I started this channel. Right now is the 2nd of April, and today I want to just do a quick recap of how my channel is doing. Right now I'm sitting at 427 subscribers, which is really good results, and has overall gained 344,000 views, which is a really impressive number, and I'm getting slowly closer to the monetization goal. In addition to this, some of my videos are still going viral, getting a lot of views. For example, like this one, which is still slowly getting views, and hopefully it can reach the 1 million mark. But what makes me the happiest about this channel is my long form video that I made about the celebrities and porn stars. And right now it's sitting at 3,000 views. But unfortunately it looks like this is slowing down, because right now the graph is looking pretty dead. In addition, the viewer retention is pretty low. So I guess this 3,000 viewers is the maximum this video is gonna reach. 3 weeks have passed already since I started this challenge. And honestly, I haven't been recorded for this past days because I've been feeling pretty sad with the results. I mean, I'm slowly growing the subscribers and the views. Right now I'm sitting with 824 subscribers, and the views overall I've gained over 1 million views, which is pretty good, but sadly it's very far away from the monetization goal. And what makes me even sadder is the long form videos are not doing that great. If you look here, I mean, they're averaging like 2,000 views, the 2 videos I made. Now I made a third one, which hopefully I have a lot of expectations on this video since I put a lot of time and effort into it. And I think the thematic of the video is really good and it will appeal to a lot of viewers. But yeah, so let's hope. So far it only has a couple of views, but maybe let's see in a couple of days how this video will be doing. You won't believe what happened over these 4 days. Right now it's April 17th, and one of my videos went very viral. I'm talking about this long form video which I posted this Saturday, and only in 4 days it reached 6,000 views. Like, that's insane. And look at the graph, it just keeps going up and up. The viewer retention is also pretty good. The average person is watching about 4 minutes of the video, which is pretty high. If it keeps going like this video might even reach the 100K mark. So let's check on this in a few days. Right now is the evening of the same day, and you won't believe what happened. I just arrived from my paddle session, and the same video that had 6,000 views this morning, now in the evening, right now it's 10 p.m, it's sitting at 24,000 views. Like, that's crazy. And look at this graph, like it just keeps going up. It's getting much more views than it was getting this morning. This is some insane results. If it keeps going like this, I will be able to get monetized like tomorrow. And the average viewer retention is even going higher, which means that the viewers that are watching this video like it, and therefore YouTube is going to probably keep promoting my video even more, which is great for me. I mean, so yeah, let's check in like about day or maybe 2 days and see how this video is doing. I have some very good news for everyone, and as you can see, once again I'm wearing my lucky shirt. I think this is honestly my lucky shirt because every time I wear it something good happens. Today only 1 day has passed since the last time I recorded, and from 24,000 views this video has gained 60,000 views and reached the 4,000 hours viewed mark, which means that I officially monetized. Yay! Finally! I mean, but now the problem is that it takes three to 4 days for all of this, for the hours, the views to get updated into the system. So I'll have to wait 3 to 4 days before I can officially apply to get monetized, which is quite unfortunate. I mean, in this time, I guess the views are gonna keep growing and I won't be able to monetize from it. 35 days have passed since I started this challenge, and I'm finally able to apply to get monetized. That's one of my goals finally being achieved. Now we'll have to wait until my channel gets reviewed, and hopefully in a couple of days I'll be able to start generating money from my videos. But the bad news is that my long form video that was going viral now is going pretty dead. It's sitting currently at 86,000 views, which is excellent. But if you look at the graph, the views are slowly slowing down and it looks like maybe it's gonna die out. But let's wait a few more days. Hopefully it regains its momentum and hopefully it can reach 100k views. About 1 week has passed since I did the last update. Right now it's April 30th and I'm finally starting to earn money off of YouTube. So let's take a look at how much I have currently earned. I have got monetized 3 days ago and in those 3 days I've earned $40, which is not bad. And my most profitable video is the most expensive guns, which made me a profit of $27. Not bad. And if we take a look at this video, it has reached the 100,000 views mark, which is insane. And if, for example, we take a look at this more recent video that I posted, if we go to the revenue, right now it only has 2,000 views, so the revenue is not going to be that big, exactly as I thought. The revenue right now is at $3. It's pretty bad, let's be honest. But the RPM is pretty high. The RPM is at $2 and I think this is also gonna go up, the RPM in this video. So at this point it's just a waiting game. I just need to keep posting consistently daily and hopefully by the end of the second month, I'll manage to earn, let's put a goal right now of $500. I think that's gonna be a pretty decent amount. About 2 weeks have passed since I did the last update and the challenge is nearing its end. Right now it's May 13th and the results are looking excellent. The video that was already going viral, the long form video, has even gone, is just blown up completely. Right now it's sitting at 200,000 views and it earned me about 200 euros. But a new video a long form video that I've posted, which is about the most expensive coins in Pawn Stars, is actually also going pretty viral. Right now it has 29,000 views and it's generated me 92 euros, which is insane. I mean, the RPM is about 3 euros. And this video's average percentage viewed is also pretty good. It has 32%, which means that it's appealing to a lot of viewers and they're staying and watching for the majority of the video, which is great. Also, in addition to this, considering the long form video views and the shorts video views, I have generated 1.1 million views, which is great. And that has generated me around 350 euros, which is, I mean, the challenge isn't over yet. There's like a couple days left. And with the momentum my videos have, I hope I can reach maybe 500 euros even by the end of the challenge. 2 months have passed since I started this challenge and today's the last day. So we're gonna take a look at the results, look at the amount of views I have gained and at the earnings. So in this past month only, I've earned 1.4 million views and this is the YouTube shorts and the long form videos all together. And this has generated me 778 euros, which is insane for the first month of getting monetized. And I haven't even been monetized for the whole month. And if we look at all the views I have gained during the whole duration of the challenge, I have gained 3 million views, which is insane. And also I have reached 2.4 thousand subscribers, which is great. But now if we go ahead and take a look at my most profitable videos, we will see that the most profitable video is the most expensive guns video, which is right now sitting at 320,000 views, which is, I mean, that's crazy for a long form video. This video has gone viral and it has earned me 400 euros, which is a lot, but considering the viewers this video has, it's not that much. And this is all due to the RPM. The RPM is this low only because I have started monetizing this video like a long time after I have posted it. So that's why the RPM is this low. But as the time goes on, this RPM is gonna slowly grow and I'm gonna earn more money from the video. Now let's go ahead and look at my most profitable YouTube short, which right now is this ancient relic video and it's sitting at 220,000 views. Of course, this is not the engagement. The real views is about 110,000, which is also not that bad. And this has earned me about 30 euros from this video. And the RPM of this video is actually like insane. It's almost 0.3. Which is like crazy for a short video. Normally it's like 0.1 or 0.2. I mean, close to 0.3 is kind of insane. So hopefully this video can gain more views and therefore make more profit for me. And yes guys, this is the end of the video. I think the results are great for this little challenge. I mean, I have completed my 2 goals that I've set for this challenge, which is getting monetized and getting one of my videos viral. I mean, I have got more than 1 video viral, and I have started earning. I mean, I've earned almost 800 euros, which is insane for the first month. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and have a great rest of the day, and see you in the next video.